Hey guys, thanks for watching again. So in this video, we're going to look at integrating Postman. Okay, so Postman is a API platform, and it's usually used by developers for testing and creating API keys. So we have the Microsoft Graph API, and we'll look at that in a little bit. But today I wanted to look at KeyVault access. Okay, so again, in case we missed this last time, if you want to access anything across using APIs, there are two ways we can do it. We can use it using something called managed identities, or a better way to do it is using something like service principals with OID. But here, I'm just going to use a service principal to get a token, okay? So I have a service principal here for Postman. So this one here is a secret access. This is the one I'm going to be using here, Postman secret access. So let me open up Postman here. And when I go into my KeyVault secret access, the first thing I have to do is generate a token. Okay, so the token is then used. So if you authenticate anyone using SAM or whatever, you generate a token is generated, and that token expires after a certain amount of time. All right. So if I go here and I hit send token, it's going to use this client ID and the client secret. The client ID and client secret are, again, from my application. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'll show you the client auth. So I go here and I look at this client ID here, C840, and I go back to here, C840. So that's a client ID. So the client ID is similar to username, secrets, the equivalent of a password. Scope, you can actually scope out what you want to give access to. So I'm being very specific. I just want to get access to a vault to get the secrets. Here's the access token that'll generate is for 1 hour, 3,599 seconds. And here I have to copy this token now, sans quotes, okay? Copy that. Then I go into my next one, which is my get. So the first time I did a post to get the token. Now I'm going to go in and actually get the value of my secret. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to delete the old key. So this is the old key, the old token that I had. And again, it's expired. Actually, if I go ahead and hit send here, you'll see that the old token will be unauthorized because it's expired. So I'm going to go ahead and here, I'm going to come in here and delete that here. I'm going to paste the new token in, and I'm going to hit send, and I'm going to get the new value of the password. It's very cool today. So if I go to my KeyVault here, okay, so and here's the actual name of the KeyVault, right? KV rotation vault. So if I go into my KeyVault here, I come in here. Let's go to home. Let's go to KeyVault, KV rotation here, and I'll go to my secrets. I'll go to, I think it's secret 1. Let me go in there, look at what it is as a secret, and it shows secret value. Oh, this is the wrong one. Actually, we can change this one later. Go to secret 3. Go to secret 3, look at this one here, show secret value. It's very cool today. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that because that's secret 1, and I'm going to hit a new version. Okay, I'm going to hit new version, and I'm going to call this one KeyVault is awesome. Okay, sorry, I typed in the wrong place. What's we get from typing without looking? Secret here. Okay, secret vault here, can close that, content type. And here I can set an activation date, I can set an expiration date, or I can manually rotate it, what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to hit, of course, enable it, and then I'm going to hit create. So what's happening now, as the new KeyVault password is created, I can go back to Postman, I can hit send, and you'll see KeyVault is awesome. As you can see, the value of this is, again, we don't want to expose passwords or hard code credentials into code anymore. We want to reference it and use something like KeyVault, give permission to the actual application to get access to it, so we can actually do this more securely. So especially for CI/CD kind of continuous integration, continuous deployment, pipelines, you want something like this. Now again, if it's one application, not a big deal. 100 applications starts becoming a big deal. Even 20, 30 applications at 10 o'clock at night, you're tired, you're exhausted. This is where you rotate the password once, everything else gets, this is in the KeyVault, and then you don't have to do it again for all the applications. Again, it's secure because the system is authenticating using these credentials here. okay, and they're getting a token. So it's more secure than just hard coding username and password into the system. And again, if you use OID, it's even more secure. So this is part of that. Hope it helps, and hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks again.